I'm going to be explaining in this video how you can make a whole lot of money online with nothing but free traffic, and we're getting started right now, so make sure you like and subscribe down below if you are not a part of the channel yet. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to actually make money online, especially if you're trying to do it the free way, with free traffic, best thing you want to do right now is you want to find a product that is already selling, a product that's already being bought from many customers. And you're going to want to find a system, a website, or a tool that you can actually put your product on and turn those products into daily commissions and daily sales. Some great places to get already made products from is ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. Those are some well-known websites that are already getting a tons of sales from their product. It's some great places that you can get great systems and tools and websites. It's some websites called GetResponse, Aweber, and even Easiest System Ever. Now, I personally like Easiest System Ever because it's like literally the easiest system ever. It provides you with different funnels and websites, and it even gives you an autoresponder. I also use GetResponse as well for different landing pages and capture pages, but Easiest System Ever will provide you all of that with one system. You won't need any other systems altogether. Now, you're still kind of going to need GetResponse as an email autoresponder, but Easiest System Ever, it provides you with a whole lot of great traffic, not free traffic, but it provides you with a whole lot of great traffic and a whole lot of great funnels that you can use within your business or within affiliate marketing. Now, when it comes to making a whole lot of money online with free traffic, it's going to take you a whole lot more time to actually start making daily and weekly commissions, especially if you're not using paid traffic. It takes a whole lot more consistency and just a whole lot more effort in your part to actually start getting sales and commissions coming in within your website and within your affiliate market. Now, the first thing that you want to do to get a whole lot of free traffic is very important, because this right here will get you a whole lot more long-term customers in the long run. What you want to do is you want to create an email list, your own email list that will help you promote different products and different services to your target customer. Now, this email list will literally help you send out different promotions and different content that's related to your business and related to your customers as well. Whether you want to tell different stories about your products or just different stories about your business, building an email list is very, very important when it comes to getting free traffic and selling products online. It also keeps your current customers and your current leads as repeat customers and repeat leads in the future. Nobody likes losing customers in the long run, especially if they look at your website and they never come back. That's why you want an email list, because you do not want to lose all of those potential customers that are looking at your website, but they just don't have the time to buy right now. Building an email list for your customers and your leads will help you sell your products over and over and over in the long run. It'll help remind your leads and your customers about your products in the future, especially if they don't got time to buy it right now, but they just get distracted. Even though they want to buy the product, other life things get in the way, and that's what the email list is for. You're going to put different opt-in forms in your website, or you can just build a funnel with the opt-in form on it. Comment down below what type of email list that you're building for your customer base and what type of products that you're selling with your email list. I want to know down below in the comment section. It'll help you capture your customer's email, name, and even phone number if you want. It's literally an autoresponder. You can use an autoresponder like Easiest System Ever. First link in the description. Go ahead and check it out if you like. It's not free, but there are different websites that you can build free email lists with. But go ahead and check out the link in the description. I do have free autoresponders that you can check out for 14 days completely free. Link is in the description. You do not want your potential customers to forget about your products because they're already interested in it. Now, the second thing that you can do is list your business, whether you have a funnel or a website, and put your business on Google My Business. Putting your business on Google My Business will help people find your business. If you have actual brick and mortar, it'll show your business location and your contact information if potential customers are trying to get in contact with you. It'll give you a whole lot of insight features that'll literally tell you where your customers are clicking at on your website. It'll help you understand your audience's behavior and how they interact with your content on your website or your funnel. It'll show you exactly who's clicking your website and who's actually interested in your website or your funnel in actually real time. And make sure you like the video down below if you're getting any type of value whatsoever in this video. It'll let YouTube know that I'm doing a great job, and it'll actually help show my video to more and more people that actually need to know this info. So thank you for the like down below. And make sure you subscribe as well if you're not a part of the channel. Now, the fourth thing that you can do is promote your content on different social media platforms. And you can do that by actually using your free email list that you should have already built at this time. Now, promoting content on social media can be very easy, but it's very hard to stay consistent with. What you want to do is you want to build your business profiles on your social media to look a little bit more professional. You don't want it to look unprofessional because then people really wouldn't want to buy. Now, you can actually schedule your posts with different tools and systems as well if you don't have the actual time to stay consistent with posting on social media. Now, you want to make sure you include links to your websites and your funnels when you're actually promoting your content on Facebook and Instagram and things like that. And that's why you want to actually make sure that you use an email list so you can keep contact of who's actually interested in your website and your products. You won't really actually know who's interested in your content, who's interested in your business if you're not capturing the leads information. What you want to do is you want to use different testimonials and different product reviews that will literally help you get pay proof and just legitimacy for your business, and to just show other people that your business is actually legit. What you want to do is you want to build relationships with your potential customers. That's what me and my team do, and it helps build trust within your business and within your products that you're already selling. Asking different questions with your customers and your leads will actually help them through the buying process. And the fifth thing that you can do is you can actually run online webinars. There's something like online presentation. It'll help introduce new products, old products, and just different services that your customers are actually interested in. It actually helps promotes and informs your different products and your different services for your customers more detailed so that your customers and your leads can understand your different products better. It creates a more personal experience for your leads so that they can actually feel a lot more comfortable through the buying process. And then another thing that you can actually do during that webinar is you can actually answer different questions that those customers may have about whatever you're selling. You can actually do a Q&A right after your whole presentation just to answer potential questions that your customer needs to know right before they buy. These are all different things that you can actually do within your business that costs absolutely nothing in order to get a whole lot of traffic for your business in the long run. Now, if you're looking for a great autoresponder, a great system that will provide you different landing pages and capture pages that you can build an email list, I have a system that you can try out for free, completely free for 14 days. Link is in the description. And I have a system that is not free whatsoever. It's the easiest system ever. It will literally provide you with amazing landing pages that are known to convert, amazing traffic that is known to buy, and just amazing tools and systems that will literally help you out throughout making money online, whether you got your own products or whether you're an affiliate marketer. First link in the description, go ahead and check it out. No credit card required to actually see what it's about. And I'm actually giving away a free social media marketing masterclass training that will show you exactly how to market your business and sell products online on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Link is in the description. It's completely free to check it out. It'll be sent straight to your email, so do not worry about any type of spam or whatsoever. All I'm doing is delivering value. So go ahead and subscribe to that email list. Social media marketing masterclass training, no credit card required, and I'll send it straight to your email. Now, like the video down below if you got any value whatsoever. Subscribe and click the notification bell if you aren't a part of the channel yet and you want to learn how to make money online, whether it comes to affiliate marketing or just selling your own products online. I'm explaining the easiest, most simplest way to actually do that on this channel. So make sure you subscribe down below so you don't miss anything. Now, if you have a business or you want to learn exactly how to market that business or just sell different products a whole lot easier and a whole lot more simpler online, make sure you check out this video right now that's coming on the screen. You're definitely going to get a lot of value from that content. Go ahead and click the video right now popping up on the screen, and I'll see you on the other side. Stay blessed and stay prayed up. I'll see you on the next video.